Yeah.
I'm using this wooden peel. It just, it's easier. Just kind of getting that around here. Let's give it a spin on this. And get it cut. Alright, welcome back to my pizza channel. It is the Pizza Guy John, and today's video, if you saw my last video, I made and updated my pizza dough, and we are now going to make a pizza with that pizza dough. So if you haven't checked out the pizza dough recipe, I'll go ahead and link it above. Also check out my channel, which again is just going to be updated pizza dough recipe, poolish, and it's going to be part 1. This is part 2. So like I promised, today we are going to be making a pizza with the dough. And as you can see, the dough is ready. I had it out now maybe about a good 30 minutes outside of room temp, so it's it's nice now. I did put it in the fridge for a little bit, but we're gonna go ahead now and just grab this one here. And I'm just gonna get that. And today's pizza that we're gonna be making has spicy soppressata, garlic, tomato sauce, mozzarella. At the end, I'm gonna drizzle some hot honey on there. So basically, it's gonna be a spicy pizza. I am using the Gosney Dome, which of course you can see right there. It's been preheating now for a good, I want to say, a good hour or so. It's a little windy, a little cold outside, so that does have, honestly, some effect on it. So we're gonna go in and get this stretched. And the dough is feeling nice and airy. Like I said, this is my updated recipe, so if you're interested in checking that out, then of course I got that linked in my channel. Comment down below, let me know if you've tried this recipe. But we're gonna go ahead now and just get this stretched out. Again, this is about 260 gram dough balls, so again, it should make a good 200 or 12-inch pizza. And I'm just, cooking or gonna build it on here. Got some tomato sauce here. It's gonna go down here. And again, because like I said, the dough is a little cold, that's why I'm using this wooden peel. It just, it's easier in the cold temperatures. We're gonna go ahead, let's gonna do some garlic. Again, some chopped garlic here. I'm just gonna kind of sprinkle that all around here. Garlic is good for you, so you could honestly eat a lot. And our mozzarella, just a handful of mozzarella here. And just kind of getting that around here. Okay, and then like I said, I got some spicy soppressata. Again, it's just some that I got from the store, and I'm just gonna kind of just throw a couple pieces on here, not too much. Looks good like that. And I'm just gonna do a little final stretch here. All right, and then we're gonna go straight into the oven. All right, and we're gonna go ahead and let that cook. Turn it down just a little bit. See, there's a little air bubble there, which is fine. You can already smell everything kind of cooking. The oven is sitting about 809 degrees, so it's gonna be perfect. Big air bubble right there. And yeah, comment down below if this is something that you would like to try, or what's your favorite toppings to your pizza. But we're gonna go ahead and let's get a spin on this. And we'll get that right back there. Yeah, like this video, comment, just turn on that bell notification. If you're not a subscriber and you're watching my videos, definitely give me a subscribe. But let's get that cooking. Nice and smoky. Okay, so I'm just gonna kind of make sure every edge, everything gets cooked. And just like that, we are good. So we're gonna go and get this inside. And almost would have dropped it. So we'll let this cool inside and we'll be back shortly. Alright, so here's the pizza. It's not fully cooled down. As you can see, it is cooked nicely. The bottom is nice and cooked. So we're gonna go ahead. I got some Mike's Hot Honey. And we're basically just gonna go ahead and just do a drizzle on there. I'm gonna let that cool down and then we'll be back. Alright, so here's the pizza. Let's go ahead and get it cut in. You hear that crispiness to that. Let's go ahead. Get a small piece here. And again, it has garlic, soppressata, spicy soppressata, and hot honey, and mozzarella. So there is a piece of soppressata right there. Really good. So I do definitely get a lot of the garlic sweetness from the hot honey and little spice from the soppressata. Let's go and take a look at this dough. You can hear nice and crispy. Let's get a taste of that. That dough is really good. Again, it's nice and crispy, soft in the inside. So it's perfect. So again, if you like what you see, like and subscribe to my video. Check out my Instagram at the Pizza Guy John. And let's connect there. We'll talk soon.